Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everything is good, everything is fine, and you are striving to be better, to be more powerful, more realistic. So, in this video, as the exams are really on the corner, and in this video, we are going to take what should be the approach of ours in these last 3 or 4 days. Okay, so first of all, uh, we'll be starting with the wrong, perceived notion, strategies that we must be doing, we are doing, or we are carrying on, or we are dealing with, and gradually we will move towards the right path and what uh, should be our approach towards the examination and towards a better way. Hmm? So, okay. First of all, that I want to say, and it is not about saying, it is all about practicing. So, I will also practice with you. So here, what treasure you have is your time. Your time is the treasure for you, and this is the time where your time is literally a treasure. You must be conscious enough, you must be very in spending your time, where you are investing your time, where you are putting your time, what you are doing. Okay, you should not be a person in these crucial time, in this crucial time, who will move any direction without any kind of pre planned pre planning. That is what I am repeating again. You you have to be consistent, and you have to be a person who will move towards a specific path. Okay, do not go do not go for various sources. Do not go for that, because in that way you will only be wasting your time, and there is no time to waste. Literally, be focused, be realistic. Do not watch so much videos on YouTube, because that will just uh, distract you. And see, at the end, it is not about the right way. It is all about, see, it's not about how will you uh, it will not be beneficial for you if you will go through a poem and each and every point you will be knowing about that. You must be aware that there is only 3 or 4 questions will be asked with a particular poem, with a particular chapter. So you must not be too much attached that you will not lose any marks in that particular chapter. No, because if you will not be losing marks in that particular chapter, you will be losing somewhere else. So first of all, take the risk. What is important, just go through that, read it. There is no need to read and to go to the deepest point of any chapter. No, a big no. Okay, so first of all, just you know refuse uh, to believe in this idea that each and every chapter is very very crucial. No, each and every chapter is not very crucial. There are specific points, specific questions, specific chapters, and specific ideas that are going to be asked, and they that too are general ideas. Hmm? Okay, and you must not be afraid. Yeah, I was saying you must not be afraid. Well, this is the time where the smart strategy, you know, got it's important. And as I am saying, risk is very important, because if you will score 100 marks in English, even then you will not be sure uh, with every chapter. I mean, with other, there are four other chapters, subjects. So you must be conscious that how much time you should give to a particular subject. Okay, according to me, if I tell you, what you can do is that take out previous year question and answer writing. Start answer writing. Section A, um, is important, but I would suggest go according to your will, that in which section you would feel more confidence, the section which you can complete in very, in less time. Do with that, complete that. Okay, and come to the second one. There is no need to be panic. There is no need to answer each section completely at a, you know at a single uh, attempt. There is no pressure of that. Suppose if you are going through section E or section C, literature, and there are so many questions, there are many questions which you are not aware of, and you would think like, okay, should I move on or should I complete this? And most probably you will think, no, 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 I should complete this first, and then I should move to another question. Well, this is not a smart strategy, because in this way you will be wasting much of your time thinking. Rather, you can invest your time in writing other things at that point. Other things means you can go with the writing section, because don't waste time in thinking. The question paper, the exam is all about writing, writing more. Okay, when you complete all the writing things, then think, because only then comes the significance of thinking, not before that. Okay, so be confident enough, have trust on yourself, and be focused. I know there can be much more which you may be thinking, but there is one thing which is important for you, and which is significant at this time, and that is only your studies, your kind of this lifestyle. Hmm? And you must be very conscious in spending your time, and practice is the utmost. Practice is the only way where you can do your best, and you can create your best, and you can create a more better, much more better version of your. Oh, okay. So don't be silly. Okay. I would not take much of your time, but there is one more thing that I want to tell. That literally, it is not about knowing everything. It is not about reading everything. Become the creator. Because when you are the creator, you will not think that I have not read that questions. I have not read that questions. You will not be thinking like that, and that's what I want. Because when you will be the creator, you will be thinking, you will be creating the answers, and that is what we need. Okay, exams, anyone can get good marks by rote learning, by memorizing a particular story again and again, again and again, again, but that we do not want, because we know uh, what is the, you know, who will get benefit if we will top the examination. Obviously we will not, because we will just get a number, not more than that. Okay, but we would be paying our time, and our school will get the utmost advantage of this, because, and that is the business. We are the employees of, we are the employees who are paying, who are paying to do good, to increase the business of school. School would be like this student has studies in our school. I mean, they would be pretending, they would be uh, addressing, no, 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 they would acknowledge that our school is where the, toppers meet, and our facilities are this much strong, beneficial, that the topper belongs to our school. No, any coaching institute, any kind of school not create toppers, but it is the fate of those coaching center that some student who are very disciplined, who are very determined to get what they want, they, get admission to that school, and by chance they do good to the school. But of course, do not waste time for only one marks, because there are a lot marks waiting for you. Hmm? So yeah, be a smart strategy. Play smart, be smart. English is not the only subject. There are four more subject uh, which you have to, put your timings on, and that is for today. There is not much more. And one thing that I want to make you remember, that practice is the key. Practice, if you are practicing, there is no need to worry. So practice is the key. If you are practicing, there is no need to worry. So keep practicing, but with a light mood, because you are still just reading and writing and thinking. Okay, you are not doing something which would be like no, which would make you feel like I am doing something big. No, 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 no. It is the easiest thing जो कि हम कर रहे हैं यार, एक चेयर टेबल पे बैठ के चीज़ों को सुनना है, समझना है, और क्या, कुछ नहीं है भाई, आराम से कर रहे हैं। एंड आराम से करो, दैट्स इट। लेकिन ये पता होना चाहिए कि किस चीज़ को कितना टाइम देना है, बिकॉज फालतू की चीज़ों को ज़्यादा टाइम देंगे तो फिर काम की चीज़ से छीन रहे होंगे वो टाइम। डैट इज़ वाई हम जो फालतू की चीज़ें उसे टाइम दे पाएंगे। दिस इज़ द ओनली वे, बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक्स में एक कंसेप्ट होता है दैट एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ वन पर्सन इज़ द इनकम ऑफ अनदर वन। सो यहाँ भी सेम कंसेप्ट लगता है कि भाई अगर तुम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम चीज़ को ज़्यादा टाइम दे रहे हो, इट मीन्स आप किसी और सेक्शन या किसी और पोर्शन, किसी और टॉपिक का टाइम को छीन कर या उसे कम कर कर इस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को दे रहे हो। ठीक है, तो आपको ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है, थोड़ा मौज मारो एंड बस ऐश करो। ठीक है, काफ़ी हो गया अब, आज ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे हम। ठीक है, चलो 10 सेकेंड होने वाले हैं।